BWT robots for simply perfect pools. BWT robotic pool cleaners feature powerful suction to vacuum up debris deposited in the pool. BWT robots are fitted with 2 ultra-fine filtration cartridges. With their PVA brushes and wheels, BWT robots easily navigate any type of surface. Optimizes the robot's cleaning cycle. Thanks to its powerful suction and fast scan rate, the cleaning cycle is short. BWT robotic pool cleaners are suitable for small pools and above-ground pools. This robotic pool cleaner cleans the pool floor, the walls and the water line. Fitted with a long cable that features an anti-tangle swivel. BWT robotic pool cleaners are highly efficient thanks to 4 drive wheels that ensure proficient travel and a powerful pump that provides excellent suction. Lounge poolside while your robotic pool cleaner does all the work. Fast and rapid cleaning. BWT has created 2 robotic pool cleaners in this range for simply perfect pools.